Purple.
Red. Green.
Damn.
That shit.
Like, that's us right there, though. Yo, who would've thought?
Y'all niggas used to be broke before.
Broke as shit.
Especially you.
Wait, me? Well, I was the brokest.
Nah, I don't know. Nah, you was a broke ass nigga.
You was
though, bro.
pop.
Nah, you was pop.
You was
I
pop.
know
You was doing this in the little office. You was doing
up.
backflip on hills.
Nah, he was getting paid during that time.
Yeah, no way.
You had a job, nigga.
Wait.
I was broke, starving, going through it, nigga. Don't count yourself out.
Man.
You gonna have people ignore, like, think trying to like take you away from your blessings. Don't count yourself out. Look. Now look again. Shit crazy, son.
Niggas used to be dead ass broke, bro, with no money, no power, no food at the crib, food stamps. Mama she don't got no car. She don't know where the fuck the next meal coming from. But guess what now? Look.
Sometimes you gotta eat lamb chops to ride lamb chops, man. Real nigga shit.
Yo, sometimes you really gotta believe in yourself, lock in, and ignore the distraction. See, niggas is distracting. Niggas trying to distract me. I'm locked in and focused up, nigga. I was so focused up. Boom.
Look at them niggas, bro. Lamborghini, bro. I'm proud of these niggas, bro. Lamborghini, bro. Them niggas used to be bums, bro. Like, nigga, them niggas used to be bums, nigga. I used to be a fucking bum, bro.
Everybody hanging like this. Do like this, do like this.
Hey, hold it in my hand?
Yeah. Dedication.
Excellent. Facts. If you wanna, if you chasing your
Manifest it right
dreams,
now.
smash that like
If
button.
you chasing your
Facts.
dream,
Like it, bro, listen, liking that video is not giving you that dream car, bro.
No,
Get
but,
your ass
no,
up
hold
and
on,
work.
hold on.
What?
But liking that vid is motivating. Like, nigga, if they did it, I can
we
do
can
it
do
too.
it,
Real
yeah.
shit though.
But you still gotta get up and put the fucking work in, though, nigga.
Facts.
Like, this, bro.
Prayer don't work without hard work though. Remember that. Don't forget that. Please.
it's a fact, boy.
300K
Guess
likes.
what? Guess what? Stop copying me. Nigga, you not even
Not
doing
even
it right.
doing it right, fam. You not.